Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another video, and this time it is going to be an unboxing and try-on video for Christian Louboutin shoes. I've been wanting to buy a pair of loops for a while. Every time I would put them on, either the fit was wrong, the size was wrong, they were too tacky or too extraordinary, whatever, you name it. But anyways, it just didn't work for me. This time I decided to seal the deal. This is the brand new style. I haven't seen this before, and so I decided to give it a try. I have two boxes next to me. So it's going to be the exact same style, but a different color and different size. And I'm gonna start off with this one. So yeah, the first time you see is the box. The box is very simple and eco-friendly. So yeah, the first thing you see is the proof of payment, and I bought it from Nordstrom. Then the next thing you see is the dust bag, and it's very soft and made of flannel. Another thing you see is this little red bag with spare parts for your heels to bring a new life. Like I said, this is the new model. It came out this season, and it's called Prive Open Toe by Christian Louboutin. So the shoe is made of patent leather for the upper part, and the cuff skin for the insole, and of course it is finished with Christian Louboutin signature red sole. I personally like how nude color is against the red sole. The style of the heel is stiletto. The heel is very thin and dainty. It makes the heel look even taller than it is. The toe style is peep toe or open toe. It is 4 3/4 inch height and 3/4 for the hidden platform. So which actually makes the heel height to be 4 inches. So in millimeters, it is 120 millimeter for the entire height, and 100 millimeter if you subtract the hidden platform. It is made in Italy, and it says right here. This particular style comes in 4 different colors. This one is nude, and there are 3 more colors available. So there is black and black combination, black and red, and pompadour. Pompadour is more like rose ballerine. Ta-da! This is another color which I personally like the most. I really like how red how this red peep toe pops out. It's really very cute. I'm not sure if the size will work for me, because this is 38 and a half. This is 38 and a half, and I mean, look how lovely they are. So I'm gonna put them on because I'm not sure which size will work. Hopefully either one will fit me. I hope that this will fit me, but let's see. I've tried them on, and neither of them works perfect for me. Size 38 is way tight, way too tight. I don't know how I'm gonna be wearing them. and I thought that, okay, maybe this is not my size. I thought that size 38.5 would work for me, but unfortunately it didn't work either. Yeah, the front part is way better. I have more room and it feels more comfortable, but unfortunately the heel part is too wide for me. So I have this situation when I'm losing my heels, so which is not cool. So this is 38.5, this is 38. I mean, there is nothing in between. Unfortunately, I don't know what to do, but my first impression is that they are extremely uncomfortable. And this is not my, actually, this is not my first impression. Like I said in the beginning of my video, I have tried them many times, and every time I would put them on, I would be thinking, oh my god, they are impossible to wear. Yeah, I mean, I'm just wondering if Mr. Louboutin has ever tried the shoes himself, because if he did, he would have came off with some improvements, I believe. My suggestion would be to make them or from suede or just lambskin, just any soft leather, because patent leather is so stiff. Yeah, I don't know, my decision is not set in stone. I don't know whether I'm gonna keep them. Probably I will. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel.